low, so it went back inside of yesterday's body and ripping. I'm not gonna touch it though. It may, remember bouncing ball? Yeah, so this could be the bounce. Today could be the bounce. Could be. It looks like heavy. When in the morning when I sat, it had just 37,000 shares in volume. Now it has a 700,000, 713. People are buying in big chunks. Yeah. So, but it's not something that I would like to buy or participate in, because for me it doesn't have any. Yeah, well, if it goes higher than anything higher than anything that's 24.47 in $2, yeah, it becomes a long because it's a 2-2 rev. So I don't know, and I don't want to risk it. I mean, it's ripping. I would love to buy some of it, but I don't know. It's just I don't want to become that guy that just touches hot stuff. You know what I'm saying, right? Yeah. So let me because I'm just about to start. There are too many things. Let me call Sam again. Oh, you're here. Oh, Sam. How you doing? Morning. I've been better, but it's okay. Yeah. I mean, we are on the stream, but I will tell you later. Okay. So there are so many candidates for today. Eh? I was just looking at CCL from follow through day. Oh, this thing is short, beautiful short today, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to set my fucking chart. It just 1 day chart, 1 year, no, from 7/21/26, yeah, to this one. Okay, let me load this thing again. Open this up. All right. Okay, so Apple was it? It's a 2-2. It's a continuation. I'm not gonna touch this one. We have enough candidates to go through. Let me just remove them from the list. Apple. I'm removing Apple, J&J. Obviously, I'm not going to touch. On Friday, I missed all of the CCL and snap move because of J&J. Space looks like a beautiful short, 2-2 continuation, and then BTX is a 2-2 rev 2 is a 1-2. Ooh, Sam, look at BTX. The formation since Tuesday last week. What is it? Beautiful, isn't it? Like, it can never be more beautiful than 1-2-2-2 bearish move. Like here at the right corner, bottom right corner. Yeah, I'm sorry. It never can be more beautiful than this. Classic on daily. All right, we clean. All right, so we move on Discord. WhatsApp. I'll put the person on the side. All right, let's do it. So we got based on the volume, we got Citigroup. There are a couple of banks here, and the whole banking sector is going to oblivion. All of them, they are gapping down. TD has not gapped down yet, but I mean, I see two banks on the list. I see C for short, and I see C for short, but the issue is that it is gapping outside. I would let it go, do a U-turn, touch or break a Hulk, and then on the break of Hulk to downside. Apologies. When it does that, I will try to sell it. So I will keep C on the list. Then we have MU, Chinese player, China. So this thing looks like a long, because when you look at it, we had a downtrend. Last week was green or blue. It made a 2-2. We have a confirmation for a 2-2 rev, and when it breaks the freaking 77.18, it would be the actionable signal. So, but for me, it would be break of yesterday's high would be to go signal. So I'm setting alert on this thing. All right, so MU long, JPM. Well, JPM is the same as MU. We have a 2-2 rev, but it to me personally looks more like a short rather than a freaking long. You know, as much as all right, let's see what it does after the open. I'm gonna go in with the Hulk. So for me, JPM is expensive too. It's 150. Let's find something cheaper, but we'll get to that one. At the moment, 15 cents of spread, but I would love to go short. JPM, UAL. Why everything is short? Why everything is gapping down? What's going on today? Even though UAL last week was a green week, but still count as 2-2 rev, 2-2 continuous, 2-2 rev, 2-2 bearish continuation. I will consider shorting this. Alright, JPM. They have IPA. No, I'm not gonna touch IPA. CVX. CVX was hot a couple of weeks ago, I think. This one is a good long. CVX for long. CVX. If MU is in play, just let me check NEO. No. NEO is the most powerful of EV sector after Tesla, obviously. When Tesla is ripping up like this, when it rips up like this, look at this. We were in the range of this candle. Now it's getting back outside, getting inside again. No one wants it to go lower. So I'm not gonna touch Tesla, but Tesla looks like a good long today. I'm just saying. IPG. Well, it's more like it's a 3. and we are at the top of the broadening formation. You can see the broadening formation here. I'm not drawing on broadening formation on every chart, but I see them, right? So you need to draw it every day. But the spread is like a killer. The spread is like $1 something at the moment, but I don't know what they're gonna do after it opens. Obviously less, but I don't know what. So this is more like a short, because we had a it's like a short, but okay, yeah. What's the IPG? All right. VIAC. I don't like VIAC. Schwab. Charles Schwab for the short. Yeah, the best short of today is Schwab. Disney. Disney, we have a whole bunch of candles here. At lower lows, higher. We are in a range, okay? Look at that. Just look at that. We are in a range. It's just coiling, doing nothing. I'm not gonna touch it. ¿Ah? Bueno, está en medio. But it says that 2 longs, then we have a short, we have a sidebar. Today could be long, but it needs to break the the previous close. I mean, unless it does that, it's worthless. And the spread is big, 40 cents. I don't like that. I want something quick to get in, get out. Not to spend 20 minutes to just get out of the spread. I mean, it's Disney, not 20 minutes, but you know what I mean. All right. Also, SYF for the long side. I mean, I really don't like this one either. Whatever. All right. So I ended up with MU, CVX, SYF for long, and CCL space C, JPM, IPG, and Schwab for short. It looks like CCL space and Schwab are the best shorts, and the rest is meh. They're gonna move, you know. Okay, Neuro it looks like it came back. Let me see what AMC is doing. AMC is giving a 2-2 ref. AMC looks like a good long. It's already heading to the upside, a 2-2 ref. What's the volume? 1 million in the pre-market. That's good. And it's even not full, half of the pre-market gone. I'm putting on a long list. AMC. AMC Mu, AMC SYF. Yeah, so yeah, that's about it for me. I have these, so I added AMC for the long list. Tesla long, but I'm not gonna even look at it. But that's about the rest for me. What do you think, Sam? Piton. Yeah.
NCLH.
Yeah.
NCLH, I have it as a as a 2-2 continuation down, but I'm looking at I'm looking for a 2-2 down. I just
Which
not
one?
too sure. NCLH.
NCLH. NCLH. Yeah, it's a it's a short.
And I'm looking same thing for CCL. They're kind of work hand in hand, so I'm gonna play whichever one of those looks cleaner.
So I realized that NCLH has less I don't want to say manipulation, but there's less stress on this stock. CCL obviously Carnival is a bigger company than NCLH. CCL is bigger than NCLH, so it's a cruise line. The other one, CCL, is a Carnival company. Is a whole freaking thing. Is a group. So I personally, if I want to go short on any of this, I prefer NCLH over CCL because it gives cleaner and less choppy moves, right? It's my experience. Look at this thing. Okay, look at this thing, and now look at this. This is en ese caso son idénticos. En ese caso. But if CCL moves, it moves bigger than NCLH. It says that $1.42 for NCLH ATR, but it moves for CCL is $1.18, which in reality translates to other stuff, but I don't think so.
I'm also looking at CVX. I'm liking it for a long. I don't know.
Yeah.
I think it's.
I have it for long too.
I like it for a long. We'll see. We will see. And then,
yeah. If it breaks here, is the 200 moving average is the target. So once I had a strategy that I would just go freaking short or long the moment that it touches 200 moving average. That was my strategy. It worked, and it works. Lots of times you get rips, but guess what? You either short with the tight stop, or you go and you let it break and come back down, then you short it. That's a very, very, like you get 10, 20 hour out of the stretch. We have this tight stop, at least like 10 cents, 10 cents here, 10 cents stop, and you have $2, $3 to the downside. AMC was here when I said we're going to go long. Let's save this.
¿Me vaya allá o me quedo aquí?
Como que quieres, tú me digas. Allá hay menos distracción. Yo sé que quién soy yo. Acomódate. Si quieres quedar aquí, quiere ver el open, pero quiere que tú. I want you to trade the open too. But don't get interfered by my trades. I'm doing something. And you can get out of chat and also, yeah. Okay. Alright, MU is about to rip. Let's see this. Alright. Off, on. Everything.
Hey guys, I'll give you guys a call back.
All right. All right.
Okay.
Have a good one, Sam.
Thanks.
May profit be with you.
Yeah, thanks, Brian. Appreciate it.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, take care.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop off myself for the open.
Yeah, all right. Catch
Better
up.
Focus.
Yeah, may
But,
profit not be with you because you're leaving me alone too.
Yeah. Cryptocurrency place might be some volatility today, like Riot, Mara. and
Yeah,
stuff.
today.
Up, so
Yeah, yeah, you
good
just go.
place.
But the thing is, we have a good place today that with focusing there. Maybe after the first wave of profit, when we have a cushion, they can start to focus on the crypto place and money place. Otherwise, at ATM, the best thing to focus is at the open on these ones that we have.
You bet.
Yeah.
Just throwing it out there, buddy. Just
Thank
throwing
you.
it out
Yeah,
there.
thank you. But I will review them with you. I will review them.
Sounds
with you.
good.
Yeah, yeah. Have a good
Alright,
one.
well, then.
Yeah,
Alright,
have a good one.
bye.
Yeah, take care. Bye. Yeah, okay.
Lots and lots of foam. Stackling for sculpting.
Dante do his shit like
Strike. Blush pink.
Con tu física y tu química, también tu anatomía, la cerveza y el tequila y tu boca con...
make it. I'm sending you my on WhatsApp. I'm sending you my watch list, but you need to have your own. But all right. Ale. 25 seconds until lunch. Oh, look at that. I need focus. Two, 10 seconds. Alright guys, let's go. Open.
SYF. Last equals 46.7. Got filled on CVX. Got filled on C.
This. Need to be careful with this one. No, I'm not liking it. I'm going to set my position. I'm going to do somewhere hold that,
Got filled on
I
CVX.
closed my position. I didn't like the way that CVX is behaving. Space.
Got filled on SPCE.
See, now is the time. Alright, MU, I got in 32, 45, ANC, profit 212 in, and okay, okay, AMC is ripping, MU the same, alright. Alright, AMC, good, AMC. 400 shares in AMC. So what I'm doing here is just I basically got the direction from daily, confirmation of 5 minutes, and actionable signal in 1 minute. Okay, C out. Alright, C is reversing. It could take it from here, go back up, but I don't care. I should be out of this. It doesn't work for me now anymore. This is my target, 77.18 is my target, and I'm going to give it some room to move here, but I'm not expecting this to come much lower than this area. And okay, AMC out too. There you go. This was my well, I didn't pay attention to this, but I'm gonna go back in again. I went in here with a 2 with a reversal, but I went in with a 212 up 30 cents on 700. The last trade is this one, which I have high hopes for. It could reverse from here. It could, no, it was a Momo Doji. Good. So AMC, I keep watching AMC now. I didn't trade it because it just got stalled here. It didn't move, but now it's moving, so I really don't care. I got in here, got wicked out, and went out. I didn't like that. No, I didn't wick out, close it personally. So CCL short. CCL is not giving what I wanted to give. Okay, it actually starts to go good. I wanted to go red, get outside of it yesterday. Then I will short this thing because it could be continuation and going back up, rip back up. Space is not making decision, making smart what to want to do, but I can short it from here. Especially that, so what we saw that it wanted to go higher, it got rejected, even the high of day didn't break. And the high of day didn't break, and then it came back down. Now we have a high low, and then on 1 minute we have a 2-2 rev. Then here, if you look, we have a 2-2 rev on 5 minute too. On daily, on the other hand, I consider it as a good short, and my target is 1 to 6. So my target would be 27.73. I'm going to lock in profit, put it on the LOD, and then forget about it. MU is doing some reversal at my target. I reached my target at the moment, and I prefer to get out. Yeah, it may rip, it may go back up, it may continue, but the thing is, I don't want to risk it. I don't want to be involved with it. So you can do whatever it wants, but not for me. It's just I prefer not to be in it. So okay. So a stall. I want it to fall like, okay, CCL now is dropping. CCL is a good one now. Okay, so here, let's have a break. Okay, SBC. Yeah, it wake me out. Yeah. Yeah, I had to get back in again. I'm not gonna let this one go. Obviously, if this one goes green, I will instantly get out. Instantly, but I'm expecting a fall. There you go. Alright, let's see. CCL, alright. I'm expecting a fall now on CCL. NCLH. We're missing NCLH. Okay, so NCLH is, let's see if it breaks. Let me set my 200. So okay, I'm gonna short this 7532. Let's see the move up the market. There you go, I'm shorting it. I'm expecting a fall now. Space, what happened? Yeah, space out. Well, I will get back in space again, no worries. I mean, I'm not, no worries for me. Tight stops are the key to survive in the market. Okay, there you go. But it should move faster, like I'm expecting a good move. 300, was that, it was 100 something on space? Oh, it was 43. Okay. Or if when it drops, we'll have a short move. Tout va bien? Yeah. So I'm not liking this. If it doesn't drop back, I don't want to be in it. Tight stops. Okay, there you go. And then when it gets lower than open, when it breaks open, I will add another 360 shares. Okay, let's see. Okay. Move. Let me see, just checking Nuru, what happened to Nuru. I was expecting a long from Nuru. Look at this. They have not even got out of the daily range. Space. Let's see space again. Okay, space. Space. I'm shorting it again. NCLH2. Okay, NCLH. I'm getting out too. Hopefully it was the negative. Yeah. So maybe let's see if it comes back down. Let's go space again. Space is stuck. It needs to break LOD. Moon. Okay, we have on 5 minutes we have a 2-2 rev, but it's open, so I still assume that market gonna go higher. I got most of the move out of space today. That like we reached the target actually. Yeah, so CVX. This is good. This is good. This is a good long. Okay, so if we stop on space. The only red today is space. It's okay. I will wait until it goes back underneath again. So my hypothesis is that space is short, and that's what I think. But it's proving not to be. So maybe I go long on it, on the anticipation of break of HOD. This is the third time anyway. Okay, yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Yeah. We'll see if it works or not. I mean, there's a push. There's a there's a volume, increasing volume, and this gonna be increasing volume for going long. Obviously, if it goes red, I will get out of this. I will add on the last 9 seconds. I will add because if it goes red, I don't want to be in it. See if it has potential to break. When it goes green and stays green, I will go in. Sorry. Yeah. There you go. I want this to break. For God's sake. Alright, so 1,200 shares in. Well, that's a lot. For a run, I want to run. Okay. I will. There you go. That's the break. That's the break. We have a break. Go. 30 is resisting, but well, it looks like it. Yeah, it's gonna break. It can break most probably, but I don't like the way that's breaking. Like there's a big chunk of shares going on through here, but I mean it can rip, but anyhow. We'll see. I'm expecting a rip. I missed on a lot. What? Yeah. This to the. This is 19th. This is too volatile to happen. We are at HOD, so shorts are attacking, and we are very close to reach to our target, daily target. So need to be more careful with it. Let's see. Okay, we are reaching the target. It would be this price. So at 58, anything next to 58, I will get out. Yeah. Out. It might still go, but I prefer not to be very greedy with it. What will be it? All right. So, c'est fini. I'm done for today. Hey, look at that. that's why.
And CCL.
Alright, so I will recap this trade. I will recap all of this in a second, but let me make it very short. I was short bias on space. Okay, we go from MU. On MU, I was long bias. I missed the one candle. Like I should have got in here, but anyway, I got in here. That is not a big deal. I got in at 32. Yeah, I mean 15 cents late, but it's okay. And got in 15 cents. 300 is around $45. But anyhow, now Disney is moving. Anyway, I want to show you my trades. It's okay, Baba. Got up. Okay, so we'll be fine. I will do it in English. I will talk to you. Yeah, I will show you later. So, so what I did, I went long based on a 2-1-2 bullish reversal. It still has for me juice to go, but I got in here because here was my target. Obviously, it moved much higher to 48, 30 cents higher, but I mean I was out. CVX, the same CVX I got in, I got out because I didn't like the time. At the time, I really didn't like the way that it was behaving and was moving. So whatever it does for itself. It's not mine anymore. So SYF, in the morning, it was stuck and almost frozen. Here there was no prints, nothing for more than 10-15 seconds. I don't like this one, and this move not mine. AMC, I was long bias. I'm still on long bias, and this based on a 2-2 rev. And when it went green, I'm a bit late, but when I went green from here, I wait until it comes back and touches the line. Then I went back in line, no, actually I went long just here from here. After I was expecting this move to happen and a break, which the break didn't happen, so I got out instantly. There's a difference between this point to here, like around 40 cents, I think. Yeah, 40 cents, and I was in with 400 shares, so $280 of this just moved, but it's okay. I got my profit out of it. CCL was for me. CCL was short. Was expecting short from it, especially given the conditions that CCL had. It looked like a beautiful short. Well, to break this, supposed to be magnitude, which actually got it. So I had a tight stop, so in case that it breaks, I get out. I got out. Space, I got in. I wanted short space, got in. I shorted, break even, got in, break even. Long, because after I saw that this is not working. Oh no, there was a stop here. And these two belong to each other, and this red and this green, they belong to each other. So here I got in based on anticipation of break of HOG. I got out because I didn't like the way that it was behaving. And then I got in here, and here the moment that started to show marks on time and sales, that signals for reversal, I got out. Well, you can see it reversed. It went to my zero, but anyway, it's alright. I got what I wanted to. And anyhow, 58 was my magnitude. So always next to the magnitude, you can get out. C, I went long based on a 2-1-2 bullish reversal, because the open of yesterday was rejected. So when it went back in, although it's on a short list, but I got the long out of it, and based on a 2-1-2 bearish rev, I got out. Disney, I even forgot to put Disney on my list and totally missed Disney. Neglected this thing. So here we have another 2-1-2, which I totally missed on, because I didn't like to go up, and my alerts are to short. It's a banking sector. There are a couple of banks, so I could do the same with JPM, but anyhow, and it made a good move, it really made a good move. Like today, to go back in maybe around here, and it would be around 50 cents, I think, 70 cents. IPG, I didn't like it. Look at it, it's just shit. Schwab was short, but I mean, it's showing promise. It's showing me promise. I mean, there was a false signal here, but look at this range. Like, it's awful. Like, what the fuck is it? Look at 5 minutes. It's just ranging 20 to 20. Anyway, NCLH, same as CCL. I was expecting a 2-1-2-2 rev out of it. CCL is a 2-2 rev 2, but I just saw it because of the because previously I had it on short. It was a 2-2 continuation to go short, but not always is the best. So this one got out too, and this will conclude it after today's trading. Realized 689, which translates to 6R actually. What? 689 divided by the 150, 4.5R. Oh, because I had one stop. Because I have, I have one stop here. So the only red, well, basically I'm not red on anything. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm 7 out of 7. Space has a red, but space short red. Space long green, so I'm 7 out of 7. Such a green Monday. It was a good one. From here, Dell. All good. And I'm out. I need a better phrase. Yeah. Bye. And 3, 2, 1.